Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is Imam Zayd Shakir. I'm here at the beautiful campus of Zaytuna College, really representing, in my view, an eye in the heart of the storm, a place of serenity, calm, a place conducive to the life of the mind, the life of the heart, working in harmony to shape future generations of leaders, of doers, of successful citizens and human beings. Those who will be able to take advantage of these formative years in their lives in this beautiful climate to begin to think deeply, to infuse our country, to infuse our world with hope, with stability, with a vision that goes beyond the immediate circumstances. For as they say, all of this confusion, stability, disruption, this too shall pass. But we want you to begin thinking, my dear brothers and sisters, about how you can contribute to shaping those young hearts, shaping those minds, so that they can represent those positions of light and the descending darkness. You can do that by making a gift that goes beyond your lifetime. A gift to Zaytuna College, my dear brothers, beyond your lifetime in two very significant ways. One, in helping us to expand this beautiful campus and facilities to house more teachers, to house more students. And another way, a gift that will live on in those young hearts and minds that you help to shape with your donation. So we encourage you, my dear brothers and sisters, to get involved with the college. Support our 12,000 strong campaign, monthly donor campaign. Support growing our endowment. Support with a one-time donation if that's what you choose. But help us to shape those young hearts and minds. Help us to continue to be an island of stability and calm in the midst of all the tumultuous events raging around us. Help us to continue to make this dream of Zaytuna College an extant and growing, expanding, increasingly effective reality. May Allah bless all of you, bless your families, bless your wealth. May Allah bless you to become part of this incredible project. May Allah bless you for taking the time to listen to this message. This is Imam Zayd Shakir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.